Hey guys, it's Bria Larine, and today I'm going to show you my signature chunky twist out with Uncle Funky's daughter. Keep watching to see how I get this voluminous twist out. I'm starting off with dry, old, stretched hair that needs to be washed and deep conditioned ASAP. It needs a lot of moisture. First, I'm just going to saturate my hair down, and then I'm going to use the Bye Bye Buildup Cleansing Conditioner that is new to Uncle Funky's daughter. And this co-wash is amazing. Like, it feels so good on my hair. It feels like butter, and it melts my curls. I can easily finger detangle without using any type of comb or brush or anything. This has definitely bumped up the top of the list when it comes to co-washes. Like, you guys, really. I ended up just twisting it all the way down, and then I moved on to the next section. As you know, I do like to wash my hair in sections because it makes it a whole lot easier for me. Once it's all twisted up, I'm then just going to rinse my hair out, and my hair is feeling amazing and looking amazing. Next, I'm going to use the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask that is also new to Uncle Funky's daughter. And this deconditioner too has just jumped up at the top of the list. I've been having a difficult time finding a really good deep conditioner that can get my hair soft, moisturized, and define my curls. I've been having 2 out of the 3, but this deconditioner gives me 3 out of the 3. It gives me crazy moisture, crazy definition, and my hair just feels amazing. I got this deconditioning cap from my local beauty supply, about $2, and this works really good when you're deconditioning on the go. So I just put this on my hair for about 30-45 minutes, maybe an hour. And this is how my hair is looking after that time, and my hair looks juicy, it looks shiny. Oh, this deconditioner, you guys, I'm in love. Okay, and once I rinse it out, my curls look even better. It's hydrated, it's bouncy, the curls are defined. You guys, okay, I'm done. Next, I'm going to go in with the Midnite Train Leave-In Conditioner. This is my first time using the Midnite Train Leave-In Conditioner. I always try the Thirsty Curls Leave-In, which is more of a watery type base. This is kind of a creamier type base. I think I prefer the Thirsty Curls more, but I do like the Midnite Train as well. It's a good option if you want to just try something different. Then I'm going to use the Shining Star Hair and Scalp Elixir that I like to use for a little bit of everything. Sometimes I like to use it for a pre-poo. Sometimes I'd like to use it during my deconditioning. And sometimes I like to use it just as a sealant while I'm styling my hair. So you can really use it for anything. And I just grab a nice amount of that, and then I just squeeze that and rub that into my hair and make sure that I get my ends as well. Then I'm going to go in with the Supercurl Moisture Miracle Cream. And this cream is really good for just a good base of keeping your hair moisturized. Sometimes I do prefer to twist my hair just with the cream, but since I'm doing chunkier styles, I'm going to grab my Curly Magic Curl Stimulator Gel that's going to give me a really nice hold. So a few tips when doing a chunky twist out. You want to make sure that your hair is fully detangled, because you will not want to have any knots in your hair that will cause frizz. You also want to make sure that you are applying product thoroughly throughout your hair, so that way you can get the best definition, because of course bigger sections mean bigger, fuller hair. So we're going to have big hair with this, so be prepared. So I'm going to do a 3-strand twist out, and as you can see, I'm just doing it counterclockwise, twisting my hair, and I do have a very detailed 3-strand twist out video that I will link above. I just 3-strand twist my hair going all the way down, and I found that 3-strand twist gives my hair way better definition than regular twist outs, especially when I'm doing chunkier sections. I can do a regular twist out when it's small sections, but for anything bigger or medium or larger twist, I need to do a 3-strand twist out because it will give me the best definition and will last a lot longer. As you can see, I'm still struggling just a little bit with my 3-strand twist out. I still do have to pause for a minute, but I only did 8 twists. Yes, 8 twists. Isn't that amazing? Just 8 twists. But you will get big hair, okay? So I just want you all to know this and be prepared. You're going to have big hair. I love big hair. What I'm doing now is I'm twisting my hair at the roots, and I'm getting a bobby pin, and I'm securing it down so that way it doesn't get too puffy at the roots, and my ends are the only part that's defined. So I'm just doing this so my hair can stay stretched and that it's not too puffy. Once my hair is like this, I'm just going to go to sleep and wait for the morning for it to be dry. Now it's the next morning and it's time to take down my twists. My twists are 100% dry, and this is how my twists are looking. Nice and defined thanks to the Curl Stimulator, the Curly Magic Gel. That always comes through for the win when it comes to styling. And I do like to use gels when I am doing chunky styles because that will give my hair the best hold when I have chunky sections because I have very thick hair. Now I want to go ahead and just separate my curls where they naturally want to separate, and as you can see, you are getting very big sections when separating. They're not tiny and small and very defined like you would with a smaller twist out. Totally okay with me. I'm just going to grab my pick because we are not done with the voluminous hair just yet. We're going to go ahead and pick at my roots. I like to use my small pick to like concentrate at my roots and get those parts out, and then I go in with my big pick, and this is going to give me that really nice volume. And this is the final look. I absolutely love this look. This is my signature look. I always have big fluffy twist outs. This is what I do. So if you want a big full voluminous twist out, I suggest you do try these products. You know I love Uncle Funky's Daughter. I use it all the time. And don't forget to check my description box for more information for Uncle Funky's Daughter. You can find their newer products and their same old goodie products at your local Walmart, your local Target, just about anywhere. So I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.